not only fair under the circumstances to give them a little hint.
Alright guys, so we're going to take a stop from the car meets. We'll be attending a car meet tomorrow morning. This is going to go up Friday. Tomorrow morning will be cars and coffee. So today we're going to start on our other project. The battery's probably super dead. So we haven't touched this car in a very long time. It's been sitting around. This car was involved into a front end accident. The lady had run the red light. Oh man, headliner is wrecked. Everything is wrecked. It's a lot more worse than, what I thought it would be. But today, we're just gonna get cleaning and just a quick walkthrough of the next project. You guys are gonna see videos on this throughout time. Let me grab the hood hinge up real quick. There you go. Probably not the safest thing. Even that is bent upwards, so this car's gonna need a lot of work. Frame's gonna have to be pulled this way, and also the water pump, I believe, has to be changed. This assembly right here, you can see it is broken right there. Turbo doesn't look like it's messed up. There's some pinch in the AC lines. Front radiator support. This whole entire top piece assembly has to be replaced. This crash bar, front bumper, fenders. Now I know what you guys might say, it's like, oh, just trash the car. Probably could just get another car. Problem is that insurance did not tell me that this car was no longer going to be covered. So I kind of did dirty a little bit, so now I'm stuck with a big metal piece of junk to fix. So this leads us to new opportunities with this car. It will turn out to be a show car. Obviously it's wrecked, but all dreams start from a wreck. So it's gonna need a lot of work, a lot of money, a lot of time, but that's fine because show cars take time, As far as the Fiat right here, it runs, I have it, so it's gonna be like the track car or whatever. So show car, track car, this one needs a lot of repairs, but like I said, Type R fenders, Type R hood, Type R front end, put it on some wheels, some bags, call it a day. Headliner, take it apart anyway and do a whole entire star headliner. That'll be pretty sick. So it's not too bad. The back end is fine, sides are fine, it's not dinged or anything. The door is fine, it's just maybe little scratches, but that's fine. Some touch up and stuff like that. So this has to do fenders, hoods, whole front end. It's gonna be a lot of time and money, but a lot of patience and a lot of support from you guys watching these videos. Thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be able to fix this in no time. So enough of me talking. I'm just gonna be here today. It's gonna be a quick video, just picking up all the pieces basically. So let's just pick up some pieces and then get out. All right, quick little glimpse there. But this will be part one in rebuilding a 2020 Civic, wrecked 2020 Civic, front end damage. I have a whole entire box full of parts. Pretty much this is all from the plastic intercooler, which will need one. And you can see like some coolant, and looks like the radiator also broke, which sucks. It just means something else we gotta purchase for this car. So radiator, pretty much is the whole entire front end assembly, and I think I'm just gonna wind up buying it. Also like, comment, and subscribe. That'd be great. But I think that's all I can really get. Like I said, that probably needs to be fixed. So even if y'all want to send parts, like DM me, you know, like message below, tap into the Instagram, send me a message if y'all got extra parts laying around and want to help a brother out. Because I mean, I have support from people all over the place, and you know, they want to help send parts for me. But you know, obviously they need money on themselves. So like, somebody wants to have me like get the fenders and the hood, but I just don't have the money to buy it. I even have a friend who has headlights for cheap, but like I said, I don't have money. Sadly, money makes the world go round around here. So I think that's all I can do right now. It's cool to see that this hose is like completely loose, but I think it's still held on by that one bolt over there, which I can't do any car work, like I said. So yeah, looks like this thing's toasted completely. That's all I can do today, guys. It is a 2020 Civic, so if y'all have any parts, front bumper, hood, headlights, fenders, if any of you guys have any parts out there for the Civics, tap in, you know, let me know. It's gonna need a lot of work, so thank you guys for watching this quick little video of just cleanup of the rebuild. And yeah, let's get out of here. Peace.